Kel again. Y'all, come on now. Kel again, and we are back in the kitchen, and I pray that this video finds you and your family doing well. Today, I got my groceries. We're still under quarantine. How are you holding up? That's what I want to know. Leave me a comment below. I'm going a little nutty, to be honest with you, but stick with me. So today, I'm making lemon piccata. I'll walk you through how to do that here in a little bit. For our side dish tonight, we're going with some roasted carrots and parsnips. And to make that, all you do is peel and clean your carrots and your parsnips, chop them up to bite-sized pieces, get them in a little casserole dish, drizzle some olive oil over top, then sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and mix it all up. Throw it in the oven at 400 degrees and bake it until they become soft. So that's my side dish. But for the main dish tonight, I'm rocking with some lemon piccata. So if you want to see how I make my lemon piccata, please stick with me and I will be right back. First thing we're going to do is prepare our chicken. I have raw chicken breasts that I thawed out from the freezer, and I'm going to butterfly them so the chicken breasts cook more evenly in the pan. Make sure when you're working with chicken to always wash your hands with lots of soap and water, and also don't forget to disinfect your prep area before and afterwards too. Next, we're going to prepare our breading stations. In one dish, I have 2 eggs, and to it I'm going to add some hot sauce, minced garlic, the juice of a lemon, and a little bit of chicken broth. We're going to whisk this all together, and in the next dish, I've got flour, and to it I'm going to add garlic powder, salt, pepper, and parsley flakes. And then we're going to mix that all together as well. From here, we're going to go ahead and bread our chicken by first dipping it in the egg mixture, and then in the flour, and then back in the egg mixture for one final time. We're going to repeat this process until all of our chicken is breaded and ready to be cooked. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add to my pan some olive oil and heat it up to about a medium heat on the stove. And once your pan is heated up and your oil is ready, go ahead and drop your chicken breast and cook it on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. Take the chicken out and cook all of your chicken breasts and put them to the side. To the pan, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, some chicken broth, and some fresh lemon juice. We're going to let that sauce bubble up and thicken, and then we're going to add our chicken back to the sauce to cook through. And that's our lemon chicken piccata. Well, that is our lemon piccata dish. So if you make this dish, please don't forget to tag me on your photo or your video. And if you'd like to see some more videos like this from me, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, I pray that you stay well, stay home, and take care. We'll get through this together. I'll see you again soon. Bye.